Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come get your makeup. Ain't nothing made up, no. Watch me put a face on. I'ma get my painting on. Starting with styling cord. Starting with styling cord. Starting with styling cord. Starting with styling cord. Starting with styling cord.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stylicon, and I'm back at it again with another review. So yes, I know it's been a while that I've been reviewing wigs, and hopefully you guys have missed me. But I'm back, and I'm gonna try and stay consistent because I miss being in front of my camera. Like, I miss coming on YouTube and reviewing for you guys. So yes, I'm back. I'm about to try and stay consistent and try to drop videos, you know, every Wednesday or so. So yeah. Alright, so to start this video off right, if you're new here, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified for when I drop more videos just like this one. So the unit that I have today to review for you guys is the Outre Perfect Hairline Unit Laurel in the color 1B. Now, of course, I would usually get like a 613, or I would get like a chocolate or a golden honey, but all of those colors were sold out. Y'all really wilded out and bought them up. So I was stuck with either the 1B or the 1, and of course I didn't want to go too dark to get a 1, so I got a 1B instead. So we're gonna open up the packaging, see what she looks like, and I'm gonna read you the specs about this wig. So of course, reading straight off of the stock card, this is the Outre Perfect Hairline 13x6 unit. She's called Laurel in the color 1B. Now, as for the specs for this hairline, like I said, she has a 13x6 frontal and is fully hand tied. She has a real scalp illusion, reduced reduced lace grid lines. She has an ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace. She has a pre-plucked hairline with natural baby hair. She comes with a pre-attached elastic band, and she's heat styling friendly. Now it says here that the hair is made out of hair resistant fiber. It's safe to take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we really about to test that out if I need to, because if I need to straighten out this wig, I will. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It's mad thick. The construction of the cap, she has 3 clips total on the inside. So she has 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back. She comes with an elastic band and adjustable straps in the back also. And this feels like a lot of hair. Ooh, but it looks pretty so far. The lace does look like it's super duper light for my skin complexion. Like, it looks super light. They keep saying HD transparent lace and then bring these like light laces. Like, I mean, I guess, right? I guess, but whatever. So first things first, I think I want to change my shirt so you guys can actually see how the hair falls on my shoulders, because I feel like it's kind of blending in with my t-shirt. And then also we're gonna get into the installation of this wig. We're gonna see how easy it is to blend, if the hairline is really a perfect hairline, and if the lace is really a HD transparent lace when it gets blended. So just stay tuned for that and keep watching. Okay, so I know you could see like my wig cap underneath the lace and everything. I'm about to fill that in with some foundation, and then I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and then y'all about to see how it looks, how easy it is to blend or how hard it is to blend. Hold on, let me back up for y'all real quick. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I can't decide between the middle part and the side part. Like, I feel like I'm becoming a side part kind of girl now. Like, hey, okay. And this makeup look definitely fits the hair look. Definitely. All right, enough about how I look. Now let's get into the good, the bad, the ugly about this wig. Y'all, this hair looks so... Yeah, if y'all hear anything in the background, that's my mom vacuuming. So yeah, this hair right here, it's bad cute. But yeah, let's get into the pros, the cons, the bad, the ugly. Let me tell y'all everything that I've experienced with this wig. So from the texture of the hair, I can feel that it's kind of like, it's very thick. That's one. So I can feel that it's kind of like a yucky, silky texture, but it feels really good. Like, it feels really soft. Now, is this wig big head friendly? Yo, this wig, when they said it has a 13x6 ear-to-ear lace, this wig comes all the way down to my ear, like all the way down here on both sides. Like, I have extra space. So yes, they did not lie about that. I didn't have to pluck the hairline. The hairline was already pre-plucked, so that's fine. They had installed baby hairs on it, but of course I cut my own baby hairs, so that's fine. I'm cool with that. The length of this wig, I want to say, is about 22 inches. Just about 22 to 24 inches. So it's really long, and it's like, it's not big, but it's very wavy and curly. And like I said, it's a lot of hair. So if y'all try to wear this in the summertime, you might be a little hot. Did I experience any shedding or tangling? I didn't experience any shedding, but I did experience some tangling. It wasn't too bad, but do take in mind that this is a curly wig. So of course you should start from the bottom and then work your way up. You wouldn't really expect any, not expect, but you wouldn't really experience much tangling. So this wig, the lace isn't that easy to blend. Like, you can't just bloop bloop and go. Like, you literally have to work in some foundation into the lace just so that it can blend into your skin complexion. So what I did, I took the foundation that I'm using today, which is my Rare Beauty foundation, and in the color 550C, and I also mixed that with some e.l.f. foundation too. That's what I'm wearing today. And I put that, I only put the Rare Beauty on the scalp, and it looks like it blended really well, but I could see some lace on the side here. So I do want y'all to take that in mind, that the lace is not easy to blend. Like, it doesn't take just like one or two products. Like, you need, like, not just one product, like you need a couple products. I put the powder on the lace, that didn't work. I put the powder, foundation, and I even put a little bit of concealer. So of course, like I said, you do have to do a little bit of work just to blend this lace. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all, I love the versatility of this wig. Like, you can put this wig in a middle part, you can put this wig in a side part, you can put this wig in even an updo, and it will look fabulous. Like, and it will look flawless. And I really do love that about this wig. Like, as I'm running my hands through it too, going back to the tangling, I really don't experience like much tangling. Like, I'm running my hands through it, like you could feel like a little snag here and there, but it's not bad. Like, if it was like an extremely curly wig, like you would think this wig would experience a lot of tangling, and I didn't experience that with this. Yeah guys, that's it for this review. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this wig. Let me know if you plan on buying it, anything like that. If you did like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, just make sure you drop a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me. So you guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
Styling with styling.